makeup lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we'll be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. Today's video is all about the love and Valentine's and being all cutesy, and for today's look I thought I would do something that's not uber traditional and like all pink or classic gold smoky eye with red lips. So sticking to what I love, I did a purple and touch of pink smoky eye. So if you wanted to see how I did all of this, then keep on watching. Okay, so for my base, I'm going in with Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Okay, now I'm going in with Catrice's Nude Illusion Powder just to set, when it focuses, just to set this cream thingy on my eye. Ah! Too much powder in my eye. Okay, now I'm going in with NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk Latte, I don't know, the white one. Now I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to do my transition color, my crease color, and I'm going in with the color, oh my lord, Buon Fresco. Okay, let's just ignore the pronunciations. And I'm using my Real Techniques brush in brush 201. So it's like a really pretty pale pinky mauvey color. If you don't have this palette, then you can just use that. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Red Ochre, and I'm going to apply it in exactly the same spot, just blending up slightly higher. Okay, now I'm going back in with my same Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to be going into this, honestly it's like an eggplant purple color. So this deep purple shade from the Smashbox Shape Matters palette. And I'm just going to be darkening just in my crease, which is back in this never-ending hole of my deep set eye, and just my outer V. And then I'm just blending slightly above my crease line, just because my eye is so deep set, so that you can just see a bit more of the colour. Okay, so this is the process. I'm literally just going in with a little bit of colour with my crease brush, and then I'm taking my big fluffy brush and just blending it out, and now I'm working on creating my outer V. Okay, now I'm going to go into Venetian Red, and I just want to blend slightly higher than my crease and go over what I've already done so that I can mix the purple with the red. Okay, now I'm going in with a little shadow brush from NYX in Your Element Metal range, and I'm going in with the shade Love Letter. And I'm just putting it slightly in front of my outer V purple color. Okay, with my crease brush I'm going back into my dark purple from the Smashbox palette, and I'm going to be combining the black and the purple just to define just along my crease line, not blending it up, just to define and make the rest of the colors pop a bit more. Okay, now I'm going into the Unicorn Sauce palette, and I'm going to be using this purple color just to go over what I've done in the outer corner and bringing it slightly more onto the lid. Okay, so now I'm going in with this shimmery purple color from Inglot. It is all broken and I can't even tell you the color, but it's a really pretty light purple shimmery color. I've further broken the palette probably from dropping it now. Okay, and I'm placing it on the inner third of my eye. Okay, so now to bring back some pinks into this look, I'm going to go back in with Love Letter, and I'm just going to be putting it on the middle third of my eyes, the center of my lid. Okay, so far my eye's very matte, so just to add a little bit more of a shimmer, I'm just going to put a bit of a shimmer on the center, and I'm going to be using my Strobe of Genius palette from NYX, and I'm going to go into this pale purple color. Further add some shimmer to my eye, I'm going in with the NYX In Your Element Metal palette, and I'm going in with this super pretty bright pink color.
At this point in the video, Jody decided to do this off camera, and so we can't show you.
Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do some wing liner and some lashes, and I'll be right back so that you do not have to watch 50 million hours of footage. Okay, so I just went ahead and did my eyebrows and my highlight, and I tried to make everything look super glowy for Valentine's. Oh! Okay, so now I've got a lot of purple going on my lid, and for the bottom part I'm just going to make it super pink, and I'm going to mix Venetian Red and Love Letter to do my under eye here. So I'm going to put more of the pink towards the inner corner and more of the red towards the outer corner. So as you can see, it's really made it pop. I feel like it's made purples go even darker, and it's just more like a smothery, sultry look. So yeah, I'm really loving this. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the Venetian Red and do the outer corner. And I'm dragging it really low down as well. So I'm going to put in some liner in the waterline. Usually I don't go in with a lot of liner because I feel like it can make your eyes look smaller. But I feel like this is very sultry and dark, so I feel like it's just going to make this watercolor pop. Okay, for lips I'm going in with STILA Stay All Day Liquid Lip in the shade, I think it's Patina. Yes, Patina. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. If you guys like this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And let us know if you'd like to see more like date ideas or event makeup. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.